Let's cook some dinner for my husband. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys something. Do you ever notice when you cook food outside, the food just look better and it just tastes better? I don't know. Even though I'm not using the authentic wood fire, but maybe it's the fresh air or the sunlight hitting the food. But anyways, let's start off with the rice and peas. I wasn't sure what I was gonna cook for dinner, so the peas wasn't soaking or anything. So I just started boiling it with some salt, pimento seed, and some dried thyme. Once it boiled up, I add some cold water just to sink the peas and let it continue cooking. When the peas is almost cooked, I went in with my coconut milk, some thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet. Yeah. So while the coconut milk is simmering, the thyme is doing its own thing. The scallion is working over time. All of these are just bringing that flavor to the pot, and that's what make the rice and peas so delicious. And we know scotch bonnet don't mix and mingle. It's always floating by itself. You know, really keep company. Always just float on the pot top by himself, just like that, like a tourist on beach. Yeah. So we're just gonna let that cover and boil, and you know all the flavor is gonna come together and unite. All right, and then you wanna taste it now to make sure that it tastes good to you, because everybody tastes different and everybody's salt tastes different in their mouth. So make sure that you taste it. I added a pinch more salt and a little complete seasoning. Yes, all purpose going in there. You don't have to, just salt alone is good enough. And can we talk about that smell? If you're Jamaican, you already know. The neighbors know. The birds know. God know. So they smell good. So once it tastes good and tastes good to you, then you're gonna go in with your rice. Just make sure that it's boiling and you're going with your rice. Whatever rice you're using. Today I'm using jasmine rice. Brown rice tastes really good with rice and peas as well. Or just use a favorite rice. Alright, and we're just gonna mix that in, stir that in, and there was no measurement. You already know, so we don't measure, especially when you come on to rice. We just throw in. But if you want to be accurate and you're new to cooking rice, you can do the 2-to-1 ratio, where you use 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water to get a perfect cook on your rice. And the butter is not necessary, but some people love it, so you go ahead and add it if you want to. Personally, I prefer to use coconut oil. All right, so we cover the pot, let it steam, and you also want to make sure that you turn down the stove. Let the rice slowly steam, and look at this. The rice, you're gonna go ahead and fluff it, and every grain is coated with that rich coconut flavor. The thyme, the scallion, the scotch bonnet, everything just smell good and taste good. I don't know, maybe it's the memories, or maybe God just make food taste better under the open sky, but trust me, this slap. It tasted delicious. Thanks for watching, and give the video a thumbs up, please.